No, it's
Alright, boys. This is the Spider-Man plug and play.
Are you actually
The
recording
OP
this
of games.
Uh,
And I hope you guys enjoy. It's the most legendary of all games.
When I play Roblox, I Instagram live it, bro. You can do that shit right now.
Blow. I freaking
are you actually
jack off
serious?
to Roblox, dude.
Yeah, I'm like, okay, what's up, niggas? I'm
Do you,
playing.
do you
I'm playing
actually play Roblox?
Yeah, I like.
Dude, I've never seen your Instagram live before.
It doesn't notify everyone. But like one time I had like 10 people watching at once.
Dude,
just watching me play Roblox, bro.
Dude, that's hilarious.
Alex, please tell me you're playing Roblox ironically.
Depends. Yo, some of those games go hard, not even gonna lie.
Really?
Yeah.
Great, now I gotta like download
Dude, this
Roblox.
music. Oh my gosh. Oh no, dude, you're about to lose. Son of a biscuit, dude.
I'm stepping on these bombs.
Oh wait, you still got freaking...
I don't want to do this again.
Dude, no, this game, makes me nut.
I wasn't paying attention to the time. Right.
Damn,
Bro,
how
the
many lives do
music-
you have?
One more. This is it.
Dude, watch us get
Wait,
like famous off
wait.
of this channel.
Honestly, they'll be like,
They're like, what is
Then I'll be
wrong
like,
with
hey,
these
guys,
kids?
Remember how this was my idea? And be
Yeah.
like, fuck off, y'all. Like,
Wait, dude, no, we'll like have us playing all the different games, you know?
Hold up, let's see what happens if I step on a bomb.
No,
I can't
don't do
I
that.
can't move past
You
it.
only have half health.
Bro, you can't move past it. The game really is for 12-year-olds.
I know.
Not even 12.
No, I was 8 when I played it.
This game,
Not even, I was like
this game is for freaking
6-year-old.
Oh shoot.
I bet you there's an age on the front.
it says please, if you have any
Preschool.
Sort of, if you have an IQ in the double digits, please do not play this game.
Oh my gosh. You might lose brain cells if you play this game. This game will, in fact, give you AIDS.
Oh, shoot.
Dude, shnikes, bro.
Thank God.
Bro, how was it?
Bro, I want to die.
Okay, dude, now you gotta enter your hype name.
What are we entering?
Freaking Gucci gang, dude.
Gooch.
Scooch, dude.
Dude, you can put Gucci in here.
Yeah, put Gucci.
Goo. Is that an I?
Don't you make fun of that sound?
Gucci. That's how you spell Gucci,
Yeah,
right?
dude. Gobby. Okay, now we only got 2 more names to replace.
Yo, I don't want to do those. You